Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, but there's often confusion about what it really does. Let's unravel the facts and myths surrounding this versatile liquid. First off, you might have heard that apple cider vinegar is packed with nutrients. Spoiler alert, that's a myth. While it doesn't have significant amounts of vitamins A or C or many minerals, it contains something even more powerful: acetic acid. Acetic acid is the key player in why apple cider vinegar can benefit our health. Many people think they're too acidic, but in reality, many of us are too alkaline. Each part of our body has its own pH level, and while our blood should be slightly alkaline, many people have a blood pH that is too high. This imbalance can lead to various health issues. To better understand your own pH, consider looking up symptoms of acidosis, too acidic, versus alkalosis, too alkaline. You might be surprised by what you find. So why is a slightly more acidic environment beneficial? When your body's pH is just right, it helps with everything from nutrient absorption to digestion. For instance, acetic acid helps with conditions like heartburn and acid reflux by promoting proper stomach acidity. If you're dealing with these issues, a little apple cider vinegar can often bring quick relief. As we age, our stomach acidity tends to decrease, making it harder to digest proteins and absorb essential minerals. This can lead to issues like stiffness and joint pain due to calcium buildup in soft tissues. High levels of stress can elevate cortisol in the body, leading to increased alkalinity. This means if you're feeling stressed, your body might be less able to absorb the calcium and potassium it needs, resulting in symptoms like muscle cramps, fatigue, and twitching. Using apple cider vinegar can help offset this by promoting a healthier pH balance. How ACV benefits your health: heartburn relief. If you suffer from acid reflux, it might seem counterintuitive, but taking apple cider vinegar can help. It increases stomach acidity, which can help the valve that prevents acid from backing up into the esophagus function properly. It aids in the digestion of proteins and the absorption of essential minerals, such as calcium and magnesium. This is particularly important as we age, when our stomach acid levels tend to drop. ACV's acidity can enhance the immune response. If you feel a cold coming on, consider sipping on diluted apple cider vinegar to give your immune system a boost. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar spikes after meals, making it a valuable ally for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy levels. A simple recipe to try apple cider vinegar drink. This refreshing drink is an easy way to incorporate ACV into your daily routine. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of pure cranberry juice. Look for no added sugars. Mix the apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and cranberry juice in a glass of water. Stir well and drink it before meals for maximum benefit. Apple cider vinegar can be a valuable addition to your health toolkit. It's important to remember that while it offers numerous benefits, it should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.